Hey girlfriend, Emily Kenison here, and I have some really incredibly exciting news, which is that we just won a Beauty Innovation Award, and it's for our second year in a row, and it's incredible. It's for the curling headband, of course, and the curling headband is this year's winner of the Hair Care Innovation of the Year, and I am just over the moon and just so excited. Thank you guys so much to everybody at the Innovation Award Committee. You guys chose us, and wow, thank you. I don't even know what to say here. This is just so awesome. The curling headband, this guy that you see here today, he was born after so many prototypes, so many ideas and so many iterations. It took a really long time to get him to where he is today, and the curling headband we have today, it just continues to surprise me how much all of our curl friends love this product. And so this award, it's for all of you guys, all the curl friends. We wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for you. And we are in a really cool spot winning this award because we got chosen out of over 2,500 nominations for this year's award. I mean, that is tight competition. It's a really impressive list of companies that apply, and the ones that got selected, my God, it's such an honor to be included amongst them. It includes Winky Lux, also won an award, and man, they inspire me. They're an awesome company. Way, Kula, who else? Paul Mitchell, even, and the Beauty Blender. I mean, that invention is in my beauty bag at all times. It's such an honor to be included with such incredible companies as winners. I just also want to say thank you so much to the entire RobeCurls team. I'm so proud of all of you guys and that we were together able to make this entrepreneurial dream become reality. And of course, thank you so much to all the friends and family that have supported me on this journey of invention, and a really deep and special thank you to the judges at the Beauty Innovation Award. You guys are rock stars, and we really appreciate and are honored to be included as this year's winner. We are so excited to also show you all what inventions we have coming up next, because there is more in the pipeline. So yeah, thank you guys to everyone again. So cool.